Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss how you can create your own quizzes with the help of audio files or starting by recording your own voices. Okay, so this is DoctoQuiz website. If you don't know about this website, you can visit it, doctoquiz.com, and after that you can either sign up as a student or you can sign up as a teacher. So teacher dashboard will look like something like this and student dashboard will look like this. So once you have logged in, okay, you can see this is the step. You upload your document, AI generates your question, you review, and you assign that quiz to a particular classes. Okay, so the first step, we need to log in. Once you have logged in, the next step, you can click on teacher dashboard, because right now I am as a teacher, so I will show you how you can act as a teacher and you can create your own quizzes with the help of AI. So you are on teacher dashboard. Now I will click on create quiz, and here you need to select audio, and either you can upload your audio files or you can click on start recording. Because I don't have any audio files right now, so I will just click on start recording. So I will explain you after that. Let me record some audio files here. Okay, so Python is a best language that is better than JavaScript. Python helps us in web scraping, in web automation, and other types of data structures. So I would obviously use Python to create data sets, to understand data set and train my own models. Python helps us in web scraping with the help of Beautiful Soup and Selenium library. Python is one of the best language that every beginner should understand and start learning with. So that is it. So now I have recorded my voice. I will click on next step and I can select complexity. I can define questions. I can set test durations. I can define pass percentage. Like, what is pass percentage? It means that only students that get 20% or more than 20% would be passed. Otherwise they would be failed. I can set points to each question, like 5 points per each question, and I can obviously set my deadline. Okay, and after that I can randomize question so student cannot get cheating. After that I just click on create and generate quiz. So now my quiz would be generated. Once my quiz has been generated, I can either edit or delete questions, and after that I can just publish my quiz. So now let's wait a few seconds and I will move forward further. Okay, quiz is being generated. It would take only few seconds because it first of all understand audio file and then it create a quiz. So quiz has been generated. Each and everything is based on my recording. You can see there how easy it is to create a quiz with the help of your audio files or mic recording. Okay, so now I can publish quiz. After that I will create a class. After that I will assign this quiz to a particular class. So I will click on publish. I will upload my cover image. Even you can generate your cover image with the help of AI, but right now I will select my own cover image and I will click on publish quiz. Okay, so now my cover image is being uploaded. I just need to wait few seconds. It is uploading here, you can see it. So it is just uploading. It has been uploaded. Now I can click on publish quiz. Now my quiz would be published, and now I can either create a new class or I can assign this quiz to a particular class that already created by me. Okay, so now let's wait. Now quiz has been created. You can see all the data, you can see the test configuration, you can see public library stats, and you can see here performance and submissions. Here all student submission will be showing. Here you can see all of the questions. You can delete edit question in real time, and here enrolled student would be total enrolled, submitted and not submitted. And here you can see share and QR code. Right now this test is new and this is not assigned to any class, so you can click on assign to a class and you can select any class. Like I can select this class and I can click on done. Now you can see I have one class where this quiz has been assigned, so I can just click on that class so I can get links, and you can see invite link, you can see QR code, WhatsApp message, Telegram message. So these types of links and messages you can share with your students so they can join your group, I mean your Python class, and then they can take this specific quiz. So this is how easy it is to create your quizzes with the help of AI, with the help of your audio files. Okay, so if you want to assign this quiz to any other class, you can again click on share button and you can select any other class and you can click on done, and then you can click on share and QR code and you can select different class to get different link for that class. So the same quiz is assigned in two different classes, and now you can either select first class or second class to just share this link. So when you share this link with your student first join that class, and after that he will be taking your test. Okay, so in future, if you assign more tests to that class, he would be automatically getting that new quizzes in the student dashboard. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this, you can subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I would be covering more topics like creating quiz with the help of web pages, with the help of images in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.